freaking cool is that? What's up, internet? Kern 1776 here with the Caliloha Camp table. Sitting in my Caliloha chair, FYI. So this camp table came in mission 86 of BattlBox, and I just wanted to shoot you guys a real quick video on how to put this thing together. It's very simple. Anybody should be able to figure it out, but some people like to watch videos on how to do stuff. So this right here is how you get it. Comes in this nice bag right here. Simply open up the bag, and you've got two things in the bag. You've got your leg system right here, which is folded up nice, made out of aluminum. And then also out of aluminum, we've got the tabletop itself right here. And one thing I really love about it is it goes back in the bag. The bag's nice and large, so that it always goes back in there. So you get your camp tabletop right here, and it just opens up just like so. And as you can probably see, hopefully, there's tape on the surface of this. You can take this tape off. It's just there to protect it during shipping, and it's just tape, just peels right off just like this. So you just peel all these pieces of tape off. That's step one, putting it together. Take this tape off, you don't ever have to worry about it again. All right, so obviously the blue side here is your top, and then this side here goes on the bottom, and you've got channels here. So as you can see right here, this end piece and this end piece look a little bit different than the middle pieces. You've got an extra piece of channel that runs down the length right here on each side. That's where your frame of the legs are going to attach to the top right here. So I'm going to take you back here, show you guys how to put this thing together real quick. All right, so we got our top and we've got our legs. So the legs just simply open up just like this. All right, now you got two pieces that aren't attached. They just flop around right here, one on each side. So we're going to take those, and they go in right here. So it flips over and attaches in that slot right there. Goes right in that slot. And do the same on this side here. And that gives you your structure, okay? And as you can see, here we've got a little channel in here, and the same over here on this side. There's a channel there and a channel there. That's where it locks into this channel that's on the two end pieces, okay? So you've got a channel going this way and this way. So you want to orient the table like this so it fits over to lock into your channels. Now, you have some adjustability this way, right? So the legs are a little bit shorter than the width of your table. So you just want to eyeball that, try to get it equal as much as possible. And they just snap in to those channels. Just like that. You see there? The channel of the outer piece locks into that channel of that piece there on each end, all the way around. So now you've got your table just like that. How freaking cool is that? So a very sturdy, nice table. And it really becomes a necessity in camp, having something that keeps stuff up off the ground, be able to set your drinks, be able to set, and say you've got like a Stanley cooktop, you can set that on here so you can cook your food. tons of uses. Outside of camp, you can use these for tailgates, you can use these for going to ball games, you can use them while you're in fishing camp, whatever. I like to keep one with me on my boat because we sometimes hit up little sandbars on the river and hang out, so you can set your chair up, have you a table, you can have your drinks, you can have lunch, you can do whatever right here on your table. The uses of a table is endless, right? Everywhere from camping to using at home to using by the pool to whatever. Having one of these available is really, really nice. And it's very sturdy and lightweight and easy to carry around with you. And then to take it down is just as simple, right? You just pull them out the channels, fold it back up, just like that. Take your pieces that are hinged in, take those loose, and you're done. Just put it in the bag and off to the next adventure. Yeehaw. So that's the quick and dirty on the Caliloha Camp table. Yeehaw. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like, comment down below, share with your friends, hit the bell icon and subscribe. And I'll see you next time with another product video right here with BattlBox. Yeehaw.